Hello amazing souls, this is me Seema from Entangled Mind, and today I'm going to discuss about the relationship commitments and the breakup. So guys, today's topic is related to our generation itself, and some of the people are going through such relationships. So a lot of times I've been hearing about it, and today I thought let's just discuss about it. So guys, the topic is regarding a one line that I would like to say, and that will help us out to understand. She just loves me. Even though I'm telling her I'm not gonna marry you, the girls are ready to get in relationship with me. It's not just about the girls, guys. It's even the boys do that, and even the girls also do the same thing to the guys. Relationship is not something that you just play around with. Relationship that gives you guilt, pain, misunderstandings, insecurities, fear, sufferings, and begging. Those are really not a relationship. Those are just like playing on with you. So what is exactly a relationship? Relationship is actually a free, wherein you need not have to ask for permission, you did not have to do anything regardless of what is going across. You listen to yourself. That's a relationship. Tell me one thing, what is more important for you? A relationship with the others or relationship with yourself? Before all these things, I would like to tell you one thing. You would fall into such relationship wherein you blindly fall for someone is because you're feeling lonely and you have an urge of sex. That's the reason actually nowadays relationships are going across like this. Stop encouraging such people who hurt our emotions, who hurt our soul, who hurt us mentally. A lot of people get into this mental trauma and they think about suiciding and all. This is not exactly what we need to do. Understand fact. You take a deep breath, sit somewhere, think what you want in your life. What is more important? What are you exactly? What do you need from others? So that's the answer for you. If you want something from other, that's an expectation, then start having done that expectation for yourself by yourself itself. So many things, right? Yeah. You're the one who can fulfill your own dreams. You're the one who can fulfill your own expectation. You're the one who can accept yourself the most. Be strong enough. Understand what is right. Try to understand this. Other than everyone, the most important is you. You are the most important person in your own life. Try to understand that fact. Make a lot of space for yourself. Spend a lot of time with yourself. Do what you like the most. There is no rules, no regulation when it comes to you enjoying with your own self. Have a lot of fun with yourself. You never know. Because you're the most unique person on this earth, and everyone is unique and you're one of them. Understand that fact. Be strong. Be such a person that can be a resilient in self. I all the time tell myself the most of the time. You're the most amazing person on this earth. You're very unique. You're resilient itself. You are something who would be a change. When you're wasting your time on the wrong people, it's better invest your time on doing something good, doing something that you love the most. Do something that encourages, boosts your soul the most. Your soul doesn't understand each and everything. You need to make it understand. That's the factor of life. Tell your soul how beautiful it is. Tell your soul how important it is. Tell your soul that you're with it. I tell myself all the time, you're unique and I always have you. Thank you. And guys, thank you for such an amazing time you have been giving. And I have my Instagram page itself, that is Entangled Mind. I all the time put reels, motivational reels on it, IGTVs on it, and even have a YouTube channel that I'm playing right now, Entangled Mind. Keep following, keep helping me out in this purpose of life, and help me to grow in this platform. You can bring a lot of stuff, new stuff to you. I can put on a lot of creativity into it and spread the message of goodness to each and everything. And do subscribe my channel, घंटी बजाना मत भूलना, और do comment, like and share if you like my contents on the reel and even on the YouTube itself. I even put the short videos. So keep pouring a lot of love to me, keep pouring a lot of kindness towards me and my team itself. And thanks a lot, guys. It means a lot to me. And keep loving. Love you guys, and namaste from Entangled Mind.